When robing a graduate, place the hood over their head with the V facing forward. You want the velvet part to face upward, and the string can actually go through the zipper at the very front of the gown. This will hold the hood in place and can be tied into a little knot at the very base. You can also pin it with a safety pin so that it will stay in place. On the back of the hood, you want to be able to see the color draping, and you'll find a string here with the button. And these are held together by wrapping it around the button to hold it into place. Making sure that the color for the graduate is showing outward. And that's it.